They have everything for everyone.
See, and that is coming from the people who have lived in Tokyo for very long. And in Tokyo, we know how customers are taken care of, the quality that
It's
they
one
are
of the
offering.
best customer services you can ever find
So,
in
seeing from
Japan.
that perspective, we are looking at these Max people and management. We are finding it pretty much at par with the Tokyo stuff,
And that says a lot.
and that says a lot. That's why we are here actually.
Any NRI who is living abroad and anywhere, if you are looking for a place to stay in, you're looking for an investment, I would say that DXMax in real estate, DXMax is the best because they provide you end-to-end solution. See, many people now will be a little hesitant that investing in this time that the company no one knows, but with you I didn't have to think about that with DXMax. But I know that my investment is safe. It's been good. That's the reason repeat business. The best kind of customer is the repeat customer, right? Hi, I am Mrs. Bilkis Mishra, and
I'm Rajesh Mishra.
we basically stay in Japan, Tokyo. So we come down here during holidays and all, and we were basically looking for a property to invest in. The Japanese people, they are famous for is their customer service, discipline and customer service, and like it's one of the best in the world. And over here, when I came, I wasn't really expecting that, but to my surprise, I found that it's, the way they take care of you, I would say it's as good as the Japanese hospitality. DX Max Sahara is one of the properties that we shortlisted. We looked at one flat and then we liked it so much that we decided, we came to buy one, but we ended up buying three. Right from when we bought the property to when it was delivered to us, end to end solution, complete solution is what you get. I met the director, Mr. Dilip Bhuvi, right? And he was very, very supportive, and he actually got it exact that what I was looking for, and he was very helpful and very supportive with that.
He could really see that what
He's in sync with you.
Yeah, he's in sync with you.
Yeah.
Right from
Probably,
the first meeting.
see,
This is
yeah,
like
this was the first time.
first time, and then
And-
he's very comfortable, made us very comfortable and understand that.
And the other thing is he realizes what the other person is looking for. Usually what happens, the more the name the builder makes, the less the quality, the more the quality falls. That has not happened with you. You have maintained, rather I would say you are elevating your quality, you're giving better options. Right from our first point of contact, which was Mr. Sohail, right from there till the end, I believe you guys are like, you really take care. The attitude of DX Max as a whole is very caring. I would say customer first. If you're looking for investment, Tokyo is not a good option for the land investment. It is best is real estate is. I would say Bangalore is the best option.
So, seeing to that, as an NRI investor, I will suggest that DXMax is a good choice. Konnichiwa minasan, Rajesh です。今は日本から来ていて、その会社の人たちに話しています。本当にクオリティは高いです。インベスターたちがここに来て本当に良かったの点があります。ぜひ来てみてください。よろしくお願いします。It says I'm from Japan. I'm Rajesh. I'm from Japan, and I have seen customer handling in Tokyo, and I'm in India now, and I've met this company's people, and the customer handling is pretty much same as what you made. So please come here.
I believe the management has a good vision, and that vision is what makes the difference. Best wishes to you guys in your future endeavors, and I hope you guys grow and we grow along with you in your future projects.